Hello, good morning. My name is Vinod Kisi. I am 22 years old. I am from Salyan district, Nepal. I am married. I have 4 members in my family. My education is plus 2 pass. My height is 5.5 feet and weight is 52 kg. I am medically fit and fine. My hobbies are playing football. Talking about my work experience, I have 2 years of work experience as a factory worker in Nepal. I want to come to any European countries as a factory, work to earn money and support my families, secure my future. I can do loading, unloading, cleaning, and weight lifting, operating machine, material handles, etc. I will stay there for the long time, maybe 5-6 years also. I will follow the company rules and policy. Thank you. Thank you.